Hey guys, today I wanted to show you this bathroom sink faucet. So it's pretty self-explanatory as far as installation. It does have an instruction manual with it, and it goes step by step, and there are nice pictures to show you exactly what you need to do. So it comes with two sets of hose. One is to connect to the water supply, and the other is to connect the hot and cold water to the sprayer. So that would be these two pieces. And then this is just the water supply line. And then the faucet and the handles are wrapped up nice in this protective cloth bag so they don't get scratched. But look at that. Isn't that a beautiful color? I love the way this looks. It's real elegant. And that also has the water supply line. And then it has the two handles here. And these are the handles. Notice this has blue for cold, and then the hot one has the red. It has a rubber washer in there, a metal washer, and then the lock nut. And then this one also comes with the stopper. And this is just one of those push up and down stoppers. So that's a real nice feature. It also has a weight because the faucet itself is actually also a sprayer. So this is the weight for the sprayer line. So the first is to thread the hot and cold water supply lines to the actual faucet handles. If you can see, this one has the red strands in it for hot, and this one has the blue strands in it for cold. Now that has the threaded top up here. And so because this is blue, this is going to go into the cold handle. And it goes right up in there in that threaded spot. The top of this is thread. So you just twist it in until it's tight. And then next you just want to take off the nut and the two washers so that you can put this through the hole of your sink for the hot and cold handles. So then up top, we're going to put this into the right side for cold, left side for hot. You put it so the handle is facing towards your walls. So I'm just going to put that in like this, and you can hold it still and just make sure that it, turns how you want it to. And then underneath, we're just going to put the rubber washer, then the metal washer, and then our threaded nut. And you want to put it so the screws are facing up towards the sink. And then once you got that nut tightened as tight as you can with your hand, you want to go in there and tighten it up. And then there's two little screws here. Tighten those with the screwdriver to tighten it up. But before you tighten those all the way, make sure that you're looking at the faucet handle up top so that it is in the orientation that you need it. And then you go ahead and do the same thing for the other side, which is the hot. So now this is what it looks like on top of the sink. And now we're going to do the same thing for the spout. We're going to put that in that center hole that's open. And then same thing, we're going to put the washers on and then the nut. Again, you check up on top just to make sure that everything is where it needs to be as far as being centered and the handles placed as you want them. And the next thing you want to do is connect this quick connect hose. You can see it has a button there. You just push this blue thing, and you'll see on the inside there how it opens so you can put it. So what you do is you want to put them on this short section here, this piece right here. Just slides up and snaps into place. You do that on the hot, the cold, and then the sprayer tube that is on the spout.
Then install the weight on the marked upswing portion of the sprayer hose. Next, connect and tighten the water supply line to the water supply coming out of your wall.
And then finally you do the same thing with the pop-up drain. You remove the gaskets and the nut. This one stays in. You lower it down into the hole of your sink from the top, and you put the nut and the gaskets from the bottom and tighten them. And then you hook this to the drain pipe that goes into your wall. And that's all there is to it, and you're done. And that is your finished product. Okay, so as you can see, you can turn this part, you turn the lower part and change the flow. You can either have the solid stream or the solid spray or a mixture of both. And the best part is, this pulls out as a sprayer.